जिन लोगों को लगता है कि मार्केट सिर्फ गिरते ही जाएगा वो गलत होंगे। जो टर्न मारेगा इतना सडन मारेगा आपको पता नहीं पड़ेगा, अच्छी उछाल भी देगा। और जिन लोगों को लगता है कि यहाँ से एक बहुत बड़ा बुल रन स्टार्ट हो रहा है वो भी गलत है। एक मौका देगा लेकिन ह्यूज बुल रन नहीं, एक और करवट बीच में आने वाली है। इन शॉर्ट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज दैट this fall that you're seeing will get corrected at very soon at some point of time. Those who will understand will make very good, because if you do not understand this turn you'll be taken off guard. जो short positions है बुरे फंस जाएंगे. And if you think that this is only one way going to rise, beginning of another bull market, they will also be stunned, because longevity of this turn will also be very limited. And we encourage good comments, we encourage people to write, but आजकल लोगों का मूड है, बहुत नेगेटिव एनर्जी हो गई है, ये सब प्रोटेस्ट हुए हैं, this is all negative energy. People are not focusing on their own self, their lives, they're getting carried away. There are educational reforms required, there's no doubt. Papers cannot be leaked and people's careers cannot be put at stake, and nobody can be given preference. Those who are doing wrongful means they have to be, it's just not possible that this continues in the future. India is a country which is rapidly changing, and the demographic profile is that the Gen Z is the ruling, going to be the ruling body in this country. So there's no denying, but just coming on the streets and only negative energy will also not help you in life, because there are people who are supporting you, the opposition parties, etc. They have a lot of their own personal interests. We also get a lot of negative energy, right? In my comments, we find there was one Dr. Anil Batra, the latest troller. The different names they come with. So we also get a lot of negative energy, negative people. We have to ignore it. So you have to move beyond the negative energy. There will be some positivity that will return. Even oil will fall, things will change. There will be an outlet that will come, and that doesn't mean it will happen Monday morning first thing. People don't go and buy calls and then blame me, but it will come. And all these things need to be taken in the into consideration. Yes, the turn will happen, you will get an outlet, but the longevity I don't think will be huge. It's going to be the beginning of a huge bull run, don't think so. एक और करवट लेगा, उसके बाद आपको अच्छा मिलेगा, ठीक है. सो सब कुछ ये जानने के लिए डिटेल में टाइमिंग्स, प्रेडिक्शंस, do join any of our telegram groups. Number to get in touch 9820861044. Namaste, Jai.